You're welcome back in today's video. Mix tomato and Vaseline, and you'll be shocked. This works to get your skin very beautiful. So in case you're new here for the first time, I share beauty tips on this channel. Do subscribe, like this video, and also share this video. Let's go. So in case you're new here, you can go through my videos. You see so many natural tips that will help to transform your skin, treat your skin, take care of your skin from the inside out, and you look beautiful all the time. So this particular treatment is for those that want to have a clearer, beautiful skin. You want to have a uniform skin, no matter the complexion you have, no matter your skin type. This is for you. So I'll be telling you how to mix these two together with some ingredients, other ones, to make it work effectively. All you have to do is just to continue watching and make sure you share this video. Let's go. So the first ingredient I made use of is cornstarch, and that is because cornstarch has the ability to make your skin very smooth. It clarifies the skin. It helps to balance your skin if you have excessive greasiness or so much oil on your face. Also helping to tighten the skin pores, helps to make you look younger and fresh. So think of cornstarch anytime you want any of that, and you love it. So the next one is Vaseline. Vaseline is a very great moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin or normal skin. If you have an oily skin, I will tell you how to use it. Just continue watching. So the next one is baking soda. Yes, baking soda is a great exfoliant that helps to get rid of dead skin cells from your skin, to reveal a bright, clearer skin, a uniform skin that glows. Baking soda may not be for everyone. That is why I'm adding other ingredients, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, I will tell you how to use the quantity and when to apply it for best results. So baking soda will not only get rid of dead skin cells to make you have a clearer skin, but it will also help to reduce so much oil from your skin. It will also help to get rid of acne. It gets rid of dark spots. Try to get baking soda, not baking powder, please. So the next one is aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is very good for all skin types, for all skin complexion. Of course, this remedy will not bleach you. Of course, they're all natural, purely natural. It will not cause any side effects, and that is because the ingredients are just things you can find in the kitchen, foods that you can use to make your skin look beautiful. Aloe vera helps to moisturize, to hydrate the skin, to get rid of stretch marks. But you have to add something with it to get rid of stretch marks. It also helps to treat sunburn or to prevent sunburn. But you have to add with something else entirely to treat sunburn. So you can share through my video. I've shared something for sunburn. We also have very good skincare products. I'm going to be displaying it if you want something that you can buy without making it yourself. So aloe vera helps to treat sunburn, stretch marks, like so many stuffs. But we're using it in these treatments to hydrate the skin, to make skin fresh and supple always. Then tomato. So tomato is a very good ingredient, a vegetable that you can use to revive your skin, to get rid of dark spots. It contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps greatly to keep you fresh, to get rid of dark spots, to treat acne, and also to prevent some skin problems, making your skin glow and clearer always. So you must add with something else to make it work, and that is why I'll be adding other ingredients to make it work. This is the time to tell you the measurements and how to mix to get perfect result. So I made just a little, as you can see, not much, and that is because I want to apply it on my face and my neck. So if you want to apply everywhere, all parts of your body, all you have to do is just to double all the ingredients I'll be listing, so that you can spray around your body and make it look beautiful. Any age can apply this treatment. There's no cause for alarm, no side effect. If you are older, this will just make you look fresh, clean skin, and have a glowing skin. Of course, doing that, you obtain a younger, beautiful skin. So any age, no matter your age. So what I did, I washed my tomato, and any size, okay, you have to grate it, grate or blend it into a thick paste. You have to measure in 1 tablespoon If you are going to be using it on your face alone, 1 tablespoon of the paste is all you need. But if you want to apply it all over your body, you can increase the quantity, of course. So I added cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. So I added half tablespoon of baking soda. I added 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel. So all you have to do is just to mix together and mix together. So after mixing them together, you have to wash off all makeups and dirt if there is any. So I've just cleansed my face and there are no dirts, no makeup on my face. Okay, to ensure there are no makeups, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better, is very important. So the reason I'm doing this is to tell you how to use it, as well as getting rid of any blemishes I have. Okay, I have a little blemish over here. Okay, but it's clearing gradually. I have an oily skin as well. I also use it to treat, to minimize so much oil on my skin. So I do it like once or twice weekly, and it makes me look so fresh and flawless. So I'm going to show you how to apply it on your face right now to get perfect results. Be it you want to treat acne. If you have acne, just apply on them. Do not be rough, just gently. If you have dark spots, apply all over your face. If you just want to apply it to make your skin fresh, smooth and beautiful, just go on and do so. So I have a very good skincare product. If you want to purchase, very natural and safe for all skin types and complexion, just have to give it a try. You love it. No bleaching. We don't have things that will bleach your skin, please. They will unify your complexion without causing any harm on your skin. Purely safe and natural. Contact through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best, like the best. The contact is not for natural treatments I display on this channel. Contact is for you that need skincare products to buy. Okay, so apply it and leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. But because of the baking soda in it, you can leave it on for less time. There are some people that have sensitive skin. That is why I added aloe vera gel to bring down the effects, the harsh effects of baking soda. Like me, I don't have any reaction with baking soda, and only for sensitive skin person. So for those that have sensitive skin, that is why I want to add these two, Vaseline and this. They will just make your skin look beautiful without bringing any redness after use of this. So in case you don't just want to use baking soda, it's also good. After all, I added baking soda just because to treat acne further. This can treat acne, okay, but it's not going to be so effective. That is why I'm adding this. You see it? So just apply it and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes if you have sensitive skin. So if you have other skin types, apply it and leave it on for as long as you want. So as it's drying, you will notice the firming effect, the tightening effect of this remedy shows that it's working. Rinse it out and apply Vaseline. So you just have to rinse it out. I'm going to rinse it out and come back and tell you the next thing to do. So after washing it out, all you have to do is just to apply a light moisturizer, or you go for Vaseline. Vaseline, like I said, is for someone that have dry skin, or if you have normal skin, or if you just want to moisturize your skin to keep it well moisturized, just make use of Vaseline. And this is very important, not to pat dry. Allow the water to remain on your skin so that this treatment will penetrate and work better. This moisturizer will go into your skin, like into your skin layer with the water as the water is drying off. So just apply under your eye. So always try to apply Vaseline on your lip. It's very important to avoid dryness. Vaseline may not be for everyone. If you have a very oily skin, so much oily skin, You can just use sunflower oil, rosehip oil. These are very light oil that will penetrate well without clogging your pores or without increasing oil. But if you have dry skin, Vaseline is your friend. If you have a sensitive skin, try to apply Vaseline to reduce the effects of baking soda if you want. So apply this treatment twice weekly or 3 times weekly for best result. This is a very good treatment to get rid of dark spots, to smoothen your skin, to keep your skin fresh and younger always. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video and share this video. See you in my next video.